In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a typewriter effect here in Premiere Pro. Before we dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But if you want to create that classic typewriter text effect here within Premiere Pro, here's how you can do so. Begin by selecting the type tool or just hitting T and clicking anywhere on your preview screen and type in whatever text you would like. In this case, we're just going to choose something like sample. Then go over to your effect controls and just adjust the size, font, and position to however you would like. I'm just going to change the font real quick. And then we'll put this in the middle of the screen and just make it a little bit bigger. Now from here, go ahead and navigate to the effects panel, and what you're going to want to search for down here is crop, just like so. Go ahead and click on it and then drag it on to your text layer, just like so. From here, you actually do need to animate the crop. In your effect controls up here, go ahead and scroll down until you see the crop options. And next to this right section, go ahead and click this toggle animation stopwatch. Set this starting value right here all the way at 100% so the text is fully hidden. And then move forward a little bit on this timeline right here and then set that value down to 0. This is going to create a smooth typing reveal effect that looks something like this. Now to change how fast the letters appear, go ahead and move the keyframes closer or further apart. The closer they are, obviously, the quicker it's going to appear, and the further apart, the slower it's going to be. But if you really want to go ahead and sell that typewriter effect, I recommend just downloading a typing sound or record yourself clicking on your keyboard underneath your text down here. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day. Before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Lets us know that you want more content like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.